welcome to my tutorial on Digital Library of Illinois. It's a really cool app, and also you can use this on your PC or MacBooks. But it's a really cool database that allows you to check out ebooks and audiobooks as well. And all you need is just a library card number, and that's pretty much it. So, without further ado, let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is open up a web browser. And now you're going to go to the Niles Library website. I'm going to make the screen bigger for you all. Excellent. Now, once you get to the Niles Library website, the first tab you're going to go to is called Digital Downloads. Once you click on Digital Downloads, you'll go to the first tab where it says Overdrive or Digital Library of Illinois. So you're going to click on that. Either a new tab will open or a new screen will appear, and this will be the screen that you'll be looking for. All right. In order to use the database, you'll have to log in. So on the tabs up top, right over here, you're going to click on Sign In. So Sign In is on the right-hand side. Once you click on Sign In, a new screen will appear where it says Sign In using your library card number. You can either choose it from Choose Your Library, or enter or sign in using Facebook or Overdrive. But for today, we're just going to choose our library. So you're going to click on the arrow down, and there's a list of libraries. So you're going to find Niles Main District Library. So you're going to go all the way down till you see the N, and there we are, Niles Main District Library. Once you click on Niles, you'll enter your library card number. So I'm going to do that right now. And that's it. We successfully logged into Digital Libraries, also known as Overdrive. Now, in order to check out books, or you want to search for a specific title or author using the search box is right here. So just click on the magnifying glass and just search for the book that you would like to check out. So for today, I want to check out Twilight. If I can spell. And then once you spell Twilight, just hit enter. And then as you can see, there are two Twilight's books available, both in audiobooks and ebooks. But for today, I'm just going to choose the audiobook. So I'm going to click on the audiobook format. And Overdrive or Digital Libraries does a fantastic job of telling you how many copies are available. And as you can see, I can check it out. So I can check on borrow. So just click on borrow. And then you can choose to either borrow for 14 days, 7 days, or 21 days just by clicking on the downward arrow. But for right now, I'm just going to pick the 14. And then once you select on the amount of days you want to borrow it, just click borrow. And fantastic. Now you get to listen to the audiobook. Now you can just click on either downloads if you're using an MP3 file, or you can just listen straight from the browser. So for today, I'm just going to click on Listen in the browser. New tab will appear, and then boom. Twilight, the audiobook, is now right here. And all you have to do is just click on the plus sign to get started. All right. Now,